guys, a day in the life as a college student edition. Healthy lifestyle vlogging in 1 week. But my vlogging, guys, is so hectic because I have no time to exercise. But sometimes if I wake up early in the morning, I stretch konti, warm up, like ganon. So this week kasi is too hectic because I have presentation, then PowerPoint, then exams, then quizzes. So hindi ko siya maisa-isa. So kailangan ko din mag-study and hindi pa ako nakapag-exercise ng maayos. But I will give you my healthy lifestyle on how my daily life. Like for example, my day one is punta ko ng school. So punta ko ng school, then naglakad ako. So every day ko yung ginagawa, walking in the outside. Then tapos pagka-uwi is diretso ko sa tindahan. So ganun lang din. So early in the morning nag-stretching ako. Then if walang pasok yung next day, which is online class, naglalaba ako kasi may water. Exercise na din sa akin kasi para lumakas din yung bato ko, di lang nag-uupo. So this video inspires you to be having a healthy lifestyle. So that's all that, guys. So I have 5 days. So relax, sit back, and watch my video. Bye! A day in the life as a college student, vlogging about healthy lifestyle, following life natin. So day 1. So day 1.
Hi guys, it's a morning day for us. So today is November 7:30 class.
So hi guys, so day 1 hapon, so probably nakatrying ko na na-videohan yung pagka-uwi ko and anong ginawa ko nung last night. So nalawat kasi yung camera, which is yung Canon camera, so hindi ko nang gamit. So today we have the day 2. So ang oras ngayon, time check is nasa 2 p.m. So kaninang morning I woke up early, then stretching konti. Then ang ulam namin is sari-sari or pinakbet, yung gulay. Yeah. So today ang gagawin natin for our healthy lifestyle is maglalaba tayo. guys, so kumakain na ako ngayon and yung ulam ko is vegetables. Yeah, vegetable. Yeah, let's see. Big tree.
Kulang review to. Tanaw mo.
Hey guys, so we are now Hey guys, so kahapon, which is yung day 4 natin, was the very hectic time kasi nga nagpunta ako ng educational assistance by our beloved Bongbong Marcos, our president. So, pumunta ako. So, we start 8 a.m. Then nakapasok kami ng UZ Summit ng around 9. Tapos, nakuwi ako ng 5 and 6. So, hectic na talaga. So, tired. So, we are now in the day 5. But, meron akong video konti-konti sa day 4. So, day 5. So, ano nga bang routine natin for today? So, early in the morning. So, ayusin muna natin ang bed natin. Are you ready? Alright. So hi guys, so kakain na tayo tapos ako nagluto. So fried rice, then fish and chicken. So it is breakfast pa lang man, so okay lang. So let's eat. Tapos kung kumain, mag-vlog tayo papunta ang tindahan kasi punta na tayo ng tindahan. Bye-bye. Hi guys, nabutan ko mag-video papuntang tindahan. So dito na tayo sa tindahan, wearing the tindahan na. So probably later pa ako kakain kasi what time? Ano pa lang siya, 11. So, ang gagawin natin today is gagawa tayo ng lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation. Bye! Hello everyone! Day 5. So, we have now in day 5. So, ang gagawin natin for today for our healthy life is maglinis ng bahay. Kasi later gagawa ako ng PowerPoint presentation. So, yeah.